Let's just get straight to it. Welcome to the Crypto Lodge, you bunch of degenerates. Let's take a look at the market today. DeFiLlama.com is one of my favorite tools to use. You can look at, let's say we just want to see what's going on Arbitrum. Curve dominance. Curve's the most dominant protocol. Aave's got dominance on Polygon. Geist still remarkably has dominance on Phantom. Just Lend has dominance on Tron. Anchor, rightly so, has dominance on Luna, Terra. Mirror should be up there, yeah. This is nice. Lido, LDO, supports Terra, Solana, and Ethereum. So that's pretty cool. This is a good site because you get to see the interoperability of each. If you click on all, you'll find that the most interoperable is SushiSwap, Elk, and AnySwap. That's the top three. Elk is remarkably low market cap for what it does and what it's doing. It's integrating all these blockchains, and it's brand new. It just launched not long ago. July 19th of this year. It's a decentralized cross-chain swap. And here's all the TVLs on the different blockchains. So they got over 1 million on Phantom, over 2.5 million on Polygon, 500,000 on Hecko, almost 1 million on XDAI, 1.6 million on Binance, Elastos, Harmony, KuCoin, almost 2 billion on Avalanche. And let me open up the chat and we'll get to coins you guys want to see, as well as some of mine. Hit that thumbs up, brings more people in, and let's just look at the market as a whole right now. DexLab is also an awesome. My favorite tools everybody needs to have is DeFiLlama, DexLab, Keck.tools for Phantom altcoins, KuCoin.app for Binance Smart Chain altcoins, and that's pretty much the top four I know of. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, the usual suspects. But let's look at the coins I've been in for the past. I've been talking about for the past couple of weeks. There's TTK. I've been talking about for maybe a month and a half. Doing pretty darn well. This is the hourly chart. I know this is cherry picking, but we bought it way before now. It's up 21% in 2 days. Not bad for a market cap of 224 million. But what I did not know about TTK was that they had another token called Chi. Now TTK's market cap is almost 800 million. Chi's market cap is 1.1, almost 1.2 million. So it's remarkably smaller. And it's been on an uptrend lately. And the gaming space is going crazy. So I'm also looking at Qubit. It's already 300 million market cap. That's a great dip to buy right there. In my opinion, we hit this mark 3 times in a row. Safe to say, it's not going to dip down below 3, right here again. With a total supply of 1 billion, who knows? But it's on a pretty good uptrend. despite the spike, that makes it look like a downtrend. In reality, take it, we're not even at the bottom of it. It's up 130% this month. It'll 50 days in 50 days. That's not bad, right? Genopets. The market cap is only 12 million. And what? Okay, I gotta zoom in. There we go. It's doing great. It's doing great. I think it's gonna continue to do great. Let me put on logarithmic so we can see the whole thing. That's the whole thing. That's better. So we can see a gentle uptrend, which is actually a lot because we're on logarithmic scale. So from this wick down here to this current price here, it's up 166% in 4 days. So this coin was just launched. It's super tiny, and I really think it's I really think it was smart to get into. And that was Genopets, yes. Sometimes it's hard to see the chart. Just click that log button and zoom in a little. Get the big red candlesticks off the screen, and then it will show you a normal chart. And cheese just tiny. 1.24 million. And if you just look at it from here, it's on a nice uptrend. I got it at 82 cents, like back here somewhere around this pump. So I'm just like even on it, but I think this is gonna go ballistic. TTK, its sister token, is up. I mean, it's 223 million. That's only 1 million for Chi. Here's Gamma. This is, I forget which play to earn game this is, but this market cap is $388,000, which is super tiny. I forget. I got Gamma. It might just not be the token I'm thinking of. I don't want to mislead anybody. Sup, dog? The first episode is releasing on Thanksgiving on the 25th, which is going to be awesome. The market cap is only 14.7 million. It is on an uptrend for sure. Look at that. On the logarithmic, it's been on an uptrend. I've been talking about this for about a month. And it's up 1,000. It's up 1,500% in 54 days and 15 hours. So it's been doing great so far. I expect it to keep going up. Sup Dog is not a meme coin. It's a real TV show. It's coming out on Thanksgiving. Crypto Wendy O, if you're familiar with her channel, she plays the voice of one of the characters. Super Dog is a real fucking thing. Charity donations to date. This is what I really love about it. Loading, because it's actually getting the real number from the blockchain. It's lots. It's many million. It's more than their market cap, I believe. Yeah, 765 BNBs. It's not more than their market cap, but still 765 BNB USD. That's $500,000. $434,877 donated to charity. So that's that 6% tax. It's straight out of Hollywood. They have actual Hollywood animators and producers, and they have crypto influencers doing the voices, crypto YouTubers and whatnot. I wish I'd known about this sooner. But it's pretty great. I'm not really into NFTs much. You'll never really see much NFTs on my channel. I'm more into just low caps that are going to most likely keep doing what they're doing, going up. Ones that are not, low caps that are not rug pulls, that are not shit coins. Low caps that are real coins and are going to make it to $1 billion. Coffin is sitting at a ridiculous 134,000 market cap. I had to type that in. Join t.me/the Crypto Lodge. That's my group here. You'll learn a whole lot if you don't know much about crypto. So I'm looking at Super Dog Chi at $1.2 million, and the sister token of TTK, which is at $224 million. It can go ballistic. Chi can go ballistic, and it's only been out for a tiny bit. Since November 2nd. So it's only been out for 20 days. This is natural. This is a natural drop for a new coin. That's all I gotta say. Not financial advice. TTK itself too, great. Qubit is Project Quantum. Epic. I got a couple more too. And then we got Impact. Is that what? Impulse. From Ascendance Games. This is it.
Play through the multiverse in this free-to-play but never pay.
That's low quality. It says HD though.
To win, play to earn multiplayer first-person. Free-to-play but never pay to win. Play to earn multiplayer first-person shooter.
I love how they said free to play but never pay to win. That's great.
Earn cash or credits every kill, but lose them every death. Put your skill where your mouth is and risk it all to earn it all. Start your journey as a synth. Collect trophies and DNA as NFTs from every realm of the multiverse.
It's built on Engine and Unity and AWS Game Tech, Amazon. Let's see if I didn't see a token yet. Let me see if there is one now. You can download the game now. Okay. It's the same.
Play through the multi.
Yeah. Maybe it's credits. Maybe it's just credits. In Ascendance, credit is the equivalent of $1. Okay, so they have a stable coin. And that's probably just the way a lot of games are going to be going. Instead of an investment coin, there's going to be a $1 coin that's always worth $1. And that's how most of these big games are going to get around. And that's why the SEC is talking about stable coins being the issue. That's a huge topic. The only way to obtain AC is to play in these game modes. The only way to obtain AC to play in these game modes is to purchase it from our store and then earn it by eliminating other players. There's a lot of work put into this. I don't think there's an investment coin though. The NFTs and characters themselves will be worth money. There's a marketplace. So they're already worth money. The shop, I'm sure it's P2P. Other players are selling. Or maybe it's just the company office. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know. Next one is Decimated. There's an interview with the CEO from 2 years ago. So this coin has to be out. Yeah, it's built in Unreal Engine. And the graphics are great. The graphics are amazing. That's why they have a gallery here. I don't think it's been published yet. I don't know. I think it's still in development, but they have lots of footage of development. Yeah, free alpha demo. Okay, I'll sign up. It's built on Unreal Engine 5. Epic Mega Grants recipient. Fuck yeah. Look at this shit. Now that's a smooth game. I bet it's not coming through good with the stream and all, but that's smooth. You got jetpacks. You can fly hovercrafts. It's basically, you can basically have a mini game in here, pod racers, and they race around a track. You can make thousands of mini games in different ways with the Unity engine. I mean, it's awesome. Look, they're chasing each other in the cars. Alright. No coin market cap, no GitHub. No coin. Just the stable coin, the $1 coin, I guess. Oh no, that was the last game. Let's see, investors. There we go. That's us. Type in the password. So there's a pre-sale. Where's the decimated white paper? This needs to be public information, doesn't it? No, it doesn't have to be. They could sell it to private investors before they ever tell anybody about the coin. Fuck you. No? Oh, fuck you worked? I thought that would. Alright. Let's actually look at some charts here. Let's look at Bitcoin. I also want to see Bitcoin dominance today. What is that? So dominance today. I mean, dominance for the past month and a half has been bad. Let's go to the 4 hour. It's dropping pretty bad, almost hitting that low there. So that's not looking good, but that's good for altcoins. Look at the little figure I drew way back when, where I predicted it to go, and then it dropped. Don't listen to anybody on YouTube, not even me. Do your own research. But let's look at Bitcoin dominance here on the weekly, just so you can see what's happening to Bitcoin. It used to be the only coin, so it was 100%. It was 100%. Then there was like Monero made safe coin, like some really early ones. And then Ethereum came and it started crashing. Made a huge comeback. January 1st, 2018, all the way into just almost the end of 2019. But it's been going back down like crazy ever since January 2021. On the dot too, I'm not even kidding. Look at this. This wick right here. There's this December 28th. It's the week of December 28th. So right there falls January 1st, 2021. On the day is when it started dumping. So we're continuing down. It's good for altcoins, good for the market. A lot of people don't agree with me, but I feel that's true. I don't like that the market moves with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not the same as the rest of the coins. So here's Bitcoin on the weekly, coming down hard, honestly. Look at that. And let's pull this over to my other browser where I have the moving averages. Put it on the weekly. And there's the bull market support band. And the, fuck the Watson. Alright, yeah. As I suspected, we're going to come and meet this in the middle. Probably around 53K here soon. And bounce up. We held it here. Held it the week after. We'll most likely hold it again, and that might be the one that it might be the one that takes us there, because we made last time we bounced off of it. The beauty is that we're getting stronger every day. But the last time we bounced off it, it went up like this. So if it were to come down, hit it, bounce off it, we're looking at almost $90,000 Bitcoin. Just if it goes up a little here, off a bounce off the 20 week. What's up, Gasarkos? I feel like I'm talking to myself this whole time. You're the first person to say a word in the chat. But I do expect Bitcoin to come down and bounce off the 20 week, which gives it power. I copied and pasted the last one. Sure, it's harder to move, so let's underestimate a little and extend it a little. But still, that constitutes for a almost $76,000 Bitcoin by January 3rd, 2022. If we just come bounce off this bull market support band and do less than what we did when we hit it back here. I'm thinking that's a pretty modest model. So I'm going to leave that line there. And it'll be on all my live streams. I'm just going to leave that prediction there. And see if we hit this 76,988. We'll see what happens. But I predicted coming down first. But not much, because this is coming up. But let's say worst case scenario, it bottoms and touches the bottom of the red and goes down below the red, but ultimately bounces like it did back here. See that red came out? The stick can come below. That's fine. That would put us right where we were again. But one of these days is going to have a move like this. One of these weeks is going to have a move like this, and we're going to be crossing 70,000. We're going to be looking in the 70,000 territory for the first time ever. We're going to be looking at 72, 73, 76K soon. But we'll probably see a dip first. We're already seeing it. This has to be pretty bad on the hourly. Let's go to 4 hour. Yeah, that's a bad 4 hours. That's a bad 8 hours. Look how. That's a 5% drop in 8 hours. But didn't ETH just go up 5%? It's on the 4 hour. Ethereum's holding up a lot better than Bitcoin, let me tell you that. Look at the charts. Let me turn this off. Put it on the 4 hour, hit reset, and then go to BTC. Take these off. Put it on the 4 hour and hit reset. And look at Bitcoin. Yeah. Bitcoin's dropping more than ETH. It really is. ETH looks like it wants to stay above more than Bitcoin. Let's zoom all the way out on both of them. And look at the gains. That's a 211% gain for Bitcoin. This whole spectrum of this whole span of chart is a 211%, 212% gain. And for Ethereum, it is 675. So Ethereum is like tripling Bitcoin's gains. It's up at 676% almost percent in a year, 367 days. Very good. Very, very, very good. And we are testing the old all-time high. Really good. Bitcoin's not looking as good. It's not past its all-time high. Ethereum just fell down below it. I expect Ethereum to do great, phenomenal. It's going to do this again, but stronger. January is always great for Ethereum, especially the Ethereum Bitcoin valuation. Just a repeat of this again pulls us up to 7,000 by January 10th. 7,231 for Ethereum. You know, it definitely won't do that exactly. Could be higher by then. We don't know. But let's look at some small caps. The ones I'm looking at are SupDog, SuperDog. The first episode launches on Thanksgiving. As you can see, it's on a pretty damn good uptrend. It's got a market cap of 14.7 million and a total supply of only 903 million. So this can go to like $10 and it's only a cent. And it is up. Let me see. 1,400% in 57 days. So 1,472% in 57 days. That's epic. And it's still 14 million market cap. And it's been going sideways for 11 days. And the first episode launches in a couple days. So it's going to gain a lot of attention. The influencers that they admittedly paid, if you listen to their AMAs, they paid influencers to start talking about it around shooting time. So it's going to pump. Now here's the phantom altcoins. I think Coffin is ridiculous at the market cap here at 130. It was just 200K. Now it's 134K. It's so small. But I do think it will be worth the hold. Although the chart says everything, but I think it's worth I think it's really worth it. Because once Phantom starts moving up, Coffin is going to break $5. And it's sitting at 4 cents right now. Mark my words. On to the next one. T-Share. T-Share has been going sideways. Well, actually down for 17 days now. But if you take a measured move, you'll see that it's up ridiculously, especially after this dip. It's up 9,541% in 76 days. It's 10,000% in a little over 2 months. That's crazy. And from inception there, it's up 100,000%. That's great. I'm not even at the bottom there. It's probably a lot more. $114,414%. That's where the profit's at now for the original buyers. But for the past, let's just say, for the past 56 days, it's been pumping. Well, 56 days ago, it started pumping for 39 days and went up 3,865%. And since then, it's been kind of just sideways for 23 days. I mean, that's a buy. That's a buy. This thing's on its way up. I don't know about Shiba. I don't know about Phantom Shiba anymore. Don't have too much faith in it. Although the creator did come in and do an interview with me. He was still anonymous. He didn't show his face. It is an anonymous guy. I don't know. I'm holding mine, but I don't know. The market cap is $16 million. It's pretty big, and it's a good project. I mean, it's a good copy of Shiba Swap and all the Shiba things over on Phantom. It's the official one. If you type in Shiba on Keck, this pops up as number one. It's on the most exchanges, it's got the most liquidity, and it's got the highest market cap of any Shiba token on Phantom. It stands out right away. But they should have a BSC coin, I'd say. It would help them. But people are still buying in, and people are still taking massive profits. So, don't listen to anybody, do your own research. This is the quietest live stream I've ever had in my life. Tomb is it reflects the price of Phantom, so it'll always be around the same price as Phantom. But Tomb.finance is one of the best places to make money on the internet. Just connect your Phantom mainnet. Have some Phantom in your Phantom mainnet wallet on MetaMask. connect, go into the masonry. Or the cemetery. That's where you get LP in the cemetery, stake in the masonry, and you trade bonds in the pit to keep the price stable. It's really magical money. And I've been making a fucking killing staking T-share. I haven't even been using the whole thing, just the masonry. But you're supposed to take you're supposed to take everything and follow a system. Take your tomb that you earned from staking the T-share and pair it with Phantom over in the cemetery to LP for more tombs, and take that tomb back to the masonry and put it in there, and also go into the pit to keep the price of tombs stable by making money off the fluctuations. So they integrated their own arbitrage so that their own users can take advantage of the price fluctuations instead of bots. That's pretty cool. Tomb is awesome. I don't understand why Geist is still the highest TBL in Phantom, unless DeFi Llama's got it wrong. 56 million. Of locked Geist and 70, so there's 115 million. Total market size is 2 trillion. Okay. Let's look at the deposit APYs. The best you can get here for Phantom for USDC is 1.23%. Let's look at the weekly here. It does look like Bitcoin wants to come touch the bull market support band, the 20-week moving averages, and if it does, it's gonna, in my opinion, bounce up to 88K. 88K is the number. That's what it is. We're gonna go down to 50K again, and then we're going to 88K. In my opinion, I'm gonna be wrong. I will be wrong. I just think that's what looks like will happen to me. Or we'll just go sideways or down or whatever. We'll do anything. What was let's just go back to the Chi. Chi is what I really think is going to do it. Look at the hour it's had. Pretty damn good. It's up 5.6% in the hour, and going up by the minute. But the fluctuation's so crazy. You never know what's gonna happen. If you click on buyers on PooCoin, it shows you the biggest buyers in the past 24 hours. There's 10,000, 8,000, 7,000. Then you go look at the biggest sellers, 7,000, 4,000. So less than there's been less sellers than buyers, so the price has been going up. I'm happy about that. Geno Pets, see what it's doing now. Yikes on the minute. It's only 12 million market cap. I think it's going to be $1 billion. So to buy it here at $26 with a total supply of only 454,000 tokens, this is going to be a $100,000 coin, maybe $100,000 coin. Yeah. What's up, gamer? I think Chi could kill it, and Gene, because Chi is only 1.2 million, and just a couple purchases made it come up 5% in the past hour. It's at such a low market cap that these moves are so significant in price change. So it did come up 60% in 7 hours. Just yesterday. So it's taking another dip before this. Look at this uptrend, man. That is an uptrend. It's a very violent uptrend, but it's an uptrend nonetheless. So it's gonna make a new high here, $1.12, and it's sitting at 83 cents. I love it. Gamer said I went for TTK instead of Chi. I bought both. Honestly, I have more Chi because I just see it as a great opportunity. I don't have any baby, but Jam Nafu does. That's been dropping on the minute. That sucks. But on the hour, it's been doing all right. That's an uptrend. Those crazy wicks, though, right? It's insane. They don't even last a minute, I bet. A couple seconds. There was a couple things over on DeFi Llama. Well, let's see how Blizz is doing right now on AVAX, the one that got hacked. It's up 6% today. Cool. Oh, 6% against Bitcoin. Maybe against USD too. It doesn't know here. But that's on AVAX. I bought a grip of that. It's been going up a lot. It came down a lot. Look at that today. It spiked up to $14 today. And now it's at 11. Damn. It'll go back up. It's been going up since the hack. See? It was at $25 million in market cap. 25.4. And then it dropped suddenly to $2.2 million in market cap. Now we're still only at 6. Or yeah, 6 million market cap. I mean it's gonna get back above 25 million again, in my opinion. Gamer said, you think the Super Dog episode on Thursday could go viral? I think it's absolutely going to go viral. Super Dog is gonna go viral. And that's why I'm holding on to that shit, baby. It's even on a dip right now. For those that want to get in. Look at that. That's just so tempting and inviting, isn't it? Not financial advice, but subscribe and like. Hit the thumbs up. And Geno Pets, TTK, and Chi, and Supdog, I expect these to do well. Very well. Let me take that off, and also Qubit. Yep. Qubit is the Project Quantum token. I expect that to do very well. It's on an uptrend. It'll probably come back down from here, and it'll go up, man. It's a play to earn game on Unreal Engine. If you put it on the daily, it looks better. So I recommend this one. It's just hitting 300 million market cap. This thing's gonna be billions. Project Quantum is dope as hell. We just looked at a video of it. Well, Crypto Wendy O has like hundreds of thousands of followers, so she does one of the voices for one of the characters in Super Dog, so she'll promote it. That'll bring a lot of attention to it. Wendy O is often on BitBoy Crypto, so BitBoy will probably mention it. Maybe, I don't know. I know he takes money to mention things, and I know that this is out of Hollywood, and they paid people to mention Superdog at the right time. If you listen to all of the AMAs, there's a ton of them on their channel on YouTube for Superdog. It's a real legit project by real people. I don't know if it's the first animated TV show. I don't know, probably. It probably is. I had never seen one. But it looks like the coins that I'm looking at are going to do well. Phantom coins are not looking good, but it's just a dip. If you believe Phantom's going to continue back up eventually, it's just a dip. Phantom outperformed everything. Look at this, from wick to wick. Phantom went up 2,281% in 98 days in 3 months. 3 months, 2,281%. So it needs to cool off a little bit. And that's not even half of what it did. This chart just doesn't go back far enough. There we go. That's better. Now you can see it was in the 2020 crash, it was under a penny. It is up 84. I'm going to get this right on the dot, right on the money, because it's important to take note how much Phantom went up. So you can expect it to come back to the 20 week. At least it's up 113,000% in under 2 years, 609 days. And every step of it makes this step stool pattern every step of the way. So the next stop is $20 naturally. The next stop's $20 in the top 10. Phantom, top 5. Eventually, in my opinion. So Phantom's gonna make that AVAX looking run. And this whole sea of red here, you're gonna wish you would have bought the T-share, the coffin, the tomb. Maybe not Shiba. What else is good on Phantom? DeFi Llama will tell us what's popping on Phantom. You go to DeFiLlama.com, click on Phantom. Yeah, Mr. Beast is one of the investors. The team is not anonymous. Now, AnySwap's the champion of everything, in my mind. But that's for a different video. I already made a video. Spartacus is up 22% today. It's pretty cool. It's a snappy DeFi protocol. Nice and quick. I like it. Let's see if the API will load without wallet connection. Nope. What else went up a lot on Phantom? See, Spartacus is up 158% in the week, 22% in the day. Hector's up. Scarecrow Finance. I'm looking for games. I want games. I think we all want games right now. And there is a couple on Phantom right now. I think Dark Matter might be one of them. That's pretty cool. What is the contract? You just come to CAC Tools and you paste in the contracts. There's Dark Matter. What's this been doing? Nothing probably. Just going down. With a market cap of 429,000. Can you believe it's got more of a market cap than Coffin? Me neither, but it does. Coffin Finance is dope. And let's go back to Phantom Protocols here. That wasn't Spartacus. Everything's on a discount here. There's Tomb, Yearn on Phantom is pretty awesome because Phantom was created by the creator of Yearn. Yearn runs a lot of DeFi. A lot of DeFi just uses Yearn in the background and you don't even know it. It's way undervalued with the market cap of only 1 billion. Way undervalued. And there's only 36,000 tokens. Is BLZZ up? Any of us who staked Geist got an airdrop of BLZZ. But they automatically locked it up for 3 months. That's not the right one. Yeah, Blizzard Network. No. Blizzard Finance. Blizz Finance. Yep, there it is. That's the one we got airdropped. It's up 70% today. Oh shit. That's dope. I didn't even see that today. See, that was free. We got that shit for free for staking Geist. Good thing I had a bunch of staked Geist. But Geist dropped. So I think they're just playing games with us. Geist fell through the floor. But if Phantom goes back up, Geist has still got the TBL. It's going to go back up. But yeah, my Blizz is my BLZZ is locked up until February of 2022. So hopefully the market cap is somewhere around $1 billion by then, and I'll have a bunch of money. I think Bitcoin's gonna do this, hit that 88K. I think it'll hit all eights. It'll hit all eights by at least February, in my opinion. Probably quicker. Yeah, I didn't put too much into Geist, but I haven't even checked my rewards in a long time. I'm just letting, like, it takes so much, it's just so time consuming to sell all those G tokens. So I've just been accumulating a bunch of G tokens and more. It hasn't been worth it. I wish I would have stuck that. Actually, it's been worth it because of this Blizz airdrop. So it was worth it. I didn't put much money in. I never put much money in small tiny caps. But T-Share has been killing it for me. It's been holding up my portfolio, T-Share. Just by printing TOOM all day, every day. It's amazing. And I just swap my, when TOOM is worth more than Phantom and it goes off a peg, that's when I swap it out for Phantom, because it's worth more against Phantom. It goes off peg, up and down, it fluctuates, and as people sell T bonds to make it more stable, and they earn money. I also earn money by swapping it to Phantom when it's off peg to the upside. And you can buy TOOM with Phantom when it's off peg to the downside, and then sell the TOOM back into Phantom when it's off peg to the upside. It's arbitrage. Magic internet money. And people want a lot of this. $4,000 buy, $10,000 buy, $9,000 buy, $10,000 buy, $15,000 buy. There's some big money coming into this. $20,000 buy. This is all in the past couple days. $15,000. So people have always wanted Yearn. It's been around for a long time. And now it's Phantom native. So it's quick and there's no damn gas fees. Yeah, I'll take a look at Meta Wars. I think I want this. 638 million market cap. It's on a little. That could probably come down quite a bit more before it goes back up, but it's almost $1 billion. Wow, it's 638 million. It was over $1 billion. It had to be when it hit 90 cents. Let's look at it. I'm sure I did already. Yeah, and I thought this was the better buy. I thought GAM would be the better buy because Wars is 641 million market cap and Gamma is 992,000. So I don't know if it's something to do with the game, that this will never be a high market cap or what, but that's where I got a GAM from. I thought that'd be a good idea to buy it, just because it's connected to such a large market cap coin, and it is such a low market cap, and it's so new. What is this date here? It's October 28th, so this just launched less than a month ago, like 20 days ago. Meanwhile, Wars launched the same time, the 27th, October 27th. So why is Wars going up and not Gamma? I wonder. Probably has something to do with the game, but it was up a lot from 1 cent to $1.83. What's up, Adada? I gotta grab some water. I'll be right back. Let me put you guys on something to actually look at. What? AVAX. Is this shit still pumping? Probably. This fucking thing won't stop. Let's put it on the hourly. That's still uptrend. Bad hour for everything right now, but that's still an uptrend for everything. Jeez. Be right back. Damn, we broke past that low here. So yeah, AVAX is looking like it's gonna have a pullback. Alright, this is interesting with AVAX because it's been pumping. And I don't really see why. AVAX doesn't strike me as a great blockchain. Never really got into it. I'd much rather prefer using and developing on Phantom, Solana. And I think the price is going to correct a lot because if we go to the weekly, we're going to come back under $100 in my opinion. Because I have the 20-week moving averages here. And it shouldn't be this high above. It's 148% above the 20-week. So we know that cryptos will always keep touching their 20 weeks. And right now it's at $66, but it's coming up fast, so it'll probably meet in the middle somewhere around 88. That's what I believe. Somewhere around 88, 98, under $100. Wherever it meets in the middle. And depending on what Bitcoin does, if Bitcoin decides to dump to the 20-week, this will dump even further. If Bitcoin takes a May dump, like a 50% correction, AVAX is coming back to like $20. Let me read the chat here. I got some questions. Black Ranger said, is Gala a small market cap coin? I think so. Let me check. I think that's on BSC. No, it's almost 3 billion in market cap. Gala's getting huge. It's got some big investors behind it. That's why it's such a high market cap. I would look at their vesting schedule for their pre-sale. Find out when the early investors, when their tokens unlock. And keep that in mind if investing in this in Gala. So it's Ethereum and Binance. Polygon ecosystem, using Polygon. It's Metaverse. I don't know if Metaverse applies here. Maybe. They're making a Gala chain, which will provide nearly free transactions throughout the Gala Games ecosystem. Gala's making huge moves. I wouldn't say 2 billion is anywhere near the top. It's almost 3 billion. The whole space is growing, and Gala has some big names behind it. And like they're pumping out a bunch of different games, which is cool. You can run a Gala node by buying a license to operate a Gala node. You open up opportunities to receive rewards for your contribution to the network. This can include Gala limited edition NFTs and opportunities to help Gala Games ecosystem grow. Wonder how much that is. $96,000 Gala. And the price of Gala is 38 cents. That's a lot of money. No problem. I like when people ask questions instead of just talking to myself here. Gamer said, Lodge, do you think some of the pay-to-earn games like TTK will ignore the ignore the bear market? Yes, I was saying that in chat earlier. You guys should all join t.me/the Crypto Lodge. We post all sorts of information. It looks like something's happening to Coffin right now. Yeah, Coffin is just dumping. Yeah, we're gonna look at it. Let's take a look at Coffin here. Over on Keck.tools. I can't believe the market cap it's at. Like nothing. $134,000. It's not hacked. But it is fucked. But I have a sizable position in Coffin, and I expect it to go way up because it only has 13 million. It's a good protocol. Phantom's just not doing great right now. It's correcting to the 20 week, but it's gonna get a good bounce off of it, in my opinion. And we're gonna be looking at $20 next. The way Phantom's moving. We're looking at $20 next. So we're gonna go sideways and down a little longer, but that makes for some great buying opportunities. Someone just said Mana's about to explode. Gamer said, glad I could catch your stream. It's 8 p.m. here. It's 2:46 p.m. here. Let's see what Mana's doing. What the fuck is Bing Bon? Yeah, I could see Mana continuing to pump. I don't get it though, because Mana doesn't really have a great engine, to be honest. A game engine. What? People love the metaverse right now, and Mana's one of the first. Decentraland was the first metaverse. Adad, you got a rookie card? Did you have to pay for the rookie card? Or is it just if you hold enough, you get a rookie card? Let's look at the weekly Bitcoin. I know we're coming back down to the 20 week. It's got to happen. That's what we're seeing now. It's going to meet in the middle. And this puts us... I don't like the rainbow so much. That's better. We're right in the middle. We're right where Bitcoin's supposed to be. It's gradually going up with time. So just hodl. That's all, that's all this chart says. From this peak back here in 2017 to now, if you bought the top of the last bear market, you're only up 204% in 1,442 days. But that's if you bought the very top of it and held it until now. If you bought the May dip, nobody caught that. I mean, some people did. Nobody caught the bottom wick there. But if you caught it during the day at the candle there, Bitcoin's up 1,000% in 623 days. Not bad for the largest crypto. And if we take a look at total market cap of crypto, it looks a lot like the Bitcoin chart because Bitcoin makes up over 50% of it. Or no, like 40% of it or something. I don't know. But I'd say that the total chart respects the 20 week even more often than Bitcoin does. I'd say this is a better chart to look at on the day, Because look at it, wicked up to it here, got rejected, came back up, finally came above it, held it, went for a crazy run. Didn't hold it, dropped, tested it, rejected. Tested it again, came up above it, failed to hold it, dropped. That's when the May crash happened. And then it got above the 20 week and just kind of barely touched it again like 2 months later. And then it just, for like a whole year, went way above the 20 week. So, if we see half a move like that again, we're going to be in pretty good shape. Just a portion of that move again. Even if we take it from the below the 20 week, it's almost 100,000. I mean, geez, that's a huge number. Can't they make that easier for me to read? What was that, 830 billion or some shit? Trillion? 83 trillion? 80 trillion? That's crazy. 80x. I don't know. It's a lot of money. And we know that gaming coins are going to be the ones pumping. We know Ethereum is the most used blockchain. We know layer 2s are going to be more frequently used, but we also know 2.0's coming, which will render layer 2s not worth using. So they may drop. Matic may drop. Black Ranger said, when does that bull run typically end? From the previous years? It's been expanding cycles. So the length of the bull markets have been getting longer, and the returns have been getting decreased because it's bigger and harder to move. But let me find the chart that goes back the furthest. That's 2015. I guess that's good enough. So the bear markets are getting shorter lived. Bitcoin is the whole crypto markets. Bitcoin is becoming more stable, less volatile than the past. It doesn't seem like that on logarithmic scale, but if you put it on regular, you can see this shit was a crazy time. All those little moves were very significant. Just this move right here back in 2015 it went up 118% in 49 days. Bitcoin did that. And here it went up. It held the, see here, when it holds the 20 week, it's good. And when it doesn't hold the 20 week, it's bad. Here it bounced off the 20 week and put in 227% gain in 77 days. And then here it wicked down to the 20 week, got a great bounce up to 575% in 91 days, 3 months. And that was back in 2017. But get this, if you held it from down here, it starts to go into the thousands of percent in less than a year. And it just gets crazier as you go back, but it's getting more stable as we go forward. And it's always all about the 20 week. Just watch the way it ebbs and flows between it. If it doesn't hold it, it stays under. But then once it finally gets above it and then bounces off of it, it's very bullish. But then when it doesn't hold it, it's not bullish. See, it didn't hold it here, then it tested it. Everyone thought it was coming back up, but it got rejected down hard. Came back up, rejected again hard. And then finally, that was May, we came above it and held it very well. Touch. For like 6 weeks in a row, we touched it. And then another 6 weeks in a row, we touched it. And then we lost sight of it. And I think the peak was about probably here, 148% above the 20 week. So if we were 148% above the 20 week now, let's just say 145 above the 20 week. That puts us at $130,000 Bitcoin. Charts never it never looks like it's supposed to on the day. It always looks different in the past than it looks today. This is going to look a lot different when we're looking back on it. That's what I mean by that. Gamer said, Lodge, what's your top 5 non-phantom low-cap gems? Supdog, Chi, Gene, TTK. Well, TTK is pretty... Not, it's still 223 million, but Genopets is 11 million. Chi is 1.2 million. Supdog is 14 million. So those are some of my BSC gems. I sold my Eternal. It's too big for me now. I'll probably regret that because it's been yeah. I'm already regretting that. It'll break $1,000 eventually. But I sold my Eternal for some smaller caps to maximize my gains. Specifically, I got Chi, Gene, and let me see. Super Dog. That's just dust. This is dust. I don't know why I'm still holding Baby Harmony, but the whole time I've held it, I've only earned 1.2 Harmony 1, which ain't shit. I don't know what Fair Squid is. I don't know about you guys, but I get a lot of shit coins just dumped into my wallet for some reason. Maybe because I have my wallet posted on YouTube. I don't know. But yeah, I got 93 Chi, 9,000 Super Dog, 1 million Baby Harmony, 3.5 Geno Pets, which is a lot for a small cap to put in. IMT, I think that's just dust. TTK. Let me do this. TTK. See, it says 140 because it only counts these two, because that's the only known market caps in my bunch here. But there's much more than $140. So it's Three Kingdoms. Geno Pets. GMR could still do very well. Chi. That could fucking blow. Chi could blow. Baby Harmony, which I don't really care about. Pulsar token, I don't know what that is. I bought it. I also bought T-Share. I thought it was something it wasn't. Can't sell it. Gotta watch out for coins you buy and you can't sell them. But then I got other thing I like about these scan websites is that it shows you. It says, hey, you got 4 other blockchains. So there's my Etherscan, my Hecko, Phantom, and Avalanche. So Ether just got like $12 of Ethereum on there, no tokens. Oh, no, it's some dust of Phantom. Hecko, I had this dog token that was airdropped to me. I don't think it's a real token. I think it's just dust. On Phantom, I have, let's see. Most of my stuff is staked, so you don't see it in my wallet. But I got Spell, Phantom Shiba, Phantom Doge, Ice, Death, Coffin, some USDC, USDT, ETH, DAI, Phantom, Spirit, Phantom. Mostly these are platform fees I'm collecting. So I'm not holding too much on the Phantom side. Just Coffin, Death, Phantom Doge, Ice, Shiba, Spirit, and all my T-Share. You don't see it here because it's locked up in Tomb.finance. But I don't have much of anything really. I don't have much. I'm not a rich guy at all. And over on AVAX, I got $40 in AVAX itself, and it's Blizz 0.02 Binance BNB. It's a couple bucks, I guess. And Blizz, the one that got hacked. I think this is gonna keep going back up. It'll eventually hit $1 billion market cap, and it's only at like 6 million right now. So I think it's gonna do good. So that's pretty much all I'm holding. Besides some other cold wallets with ADA, Solana, Phantom. That's just my wallet. This is my wallet for DeFi and just buying small caps with, basically just buying small caps with my DeFi gains. So when every time I go to Tomb.finance, I have like 60 Tomb sitting there for me. Every time I visit. So I claim that reward, and I go shopping for small caps with my earnings. Yeah, Brick Dorsey said, "What's up, everyone? Just got here. Sure missed a ton." Yeah, I'm about to shut it down too. I got a meeting in less than 10 minutes. No, 12 minutes, 13 minutes, 3:15. Which I can just switch off the stream and go right to the consultation. I do crypto consultations. Boy, my mouth is dry. So Meta Wars is up 50% today. 600. It's under $1 billion market cap. I think that's something that will keep going up. But if you look at GAM, I like that. I like GAM because Wars is such a high market cap, and for some reason GAM is not yet. It's only $400,000 market cap. They were both launched at the same time, but Wars is much higher market cap. So the same with TTK. I'm holding TTK, but I'm also holding Chi, because TTK is 223 million market cap, and its sister token Chi is only 1,254,000. It was just under a million. So it's doing good in the past couple days. And it's gonna, just to get back to its high, it's gotta be an insane gain. Let's look. To its high at the launch. From here is a 7x. It's a 600% gain. Just to get to 574 where it was. This thing could be. There's only 1,496,000 tokens that will ever be. This thing could be hundreds of dollars. And it's sitting here at $83. Chi and GAM might be the play. Geno Pets is going to get a bunch of players. Looks like a fun, addicting game that just launched. I think it's going to do well. Can I see an accurate chart? Jeez. Guess we got to go down to the hour or minute. All right. Dump in. Just like the whole market. Don't think it's just this coin. It's probably actually on an uptrend. Nah, maybe. That might be an uptrend. Let's back out to the hour. Yeah, that's an uptrend. Look at that. Boom. That's the play right there. Sitting at 11 million market cap. We got Geno Pets on a killer uptrend. On a nice dip, it's touching the previous it's touching the previous high. That's where you want to buy it. See? Fuck yeah. And Supdog, Super Dog cartoon. The first episode comes out on Thanksgiving on Friday. On Thursday or whatever. The 25th. And it's been on a great uptrend. It was hella volatile, but it was super rewarding, and I think it's going to continue to be. That shit went up 100% in 16 hours. 164% in 16 hours. And it's up 1,800% in less than 2 months. So it's moving up at a fast pace. And it's backed by Hollywood. They got Crypto NDO doing the voice of one of the characters. The first episode's going to be about crypto regulations they live in. You should read about it. It's fucking dope. So these are the plays, man. Sup Dog, Chi, Gene, TTK, Gamma, Wars, Coffin. Coffin's gonna bounce back crazy, I hope. It might not though. But T-Share will. T-Share definitely will. Using the Tomb.finance ecosystem is amazing. It's an amazing thing. You make so much fucking money just by staking, regardless of what the price is doing. Actually, when Tomb's at a discount, that's even better, because you can buy more Tomb to stake it and earn the same APY on Tomb. You earn Tomb for staking T-Share. It's pretty great. Abel said, check Gaffy, GameFi, native token and BSC, Gaffy. I want to make sure I get the right one. It's BSC, Poker Foundry, Metaverse, Launchpad, Monica, Play to Earn, market cap 275 million, up 3% today, 10% today. Let's look at the chart. This might be one I like. I really don't care about the game as long as the oh, that's a great chart. That's a beautiful chart. And the market cap is 4 trillion. Shit. I didn't know it was that big. Yeah, this coin's going to keep going. That's not going to that kind of chart is going to push through a bear market in my opinion. Jesus. From 0 to 200. Let's see what this was. It's a 269% gain in 21 days. It was up 500% in 16 days. Yeah, what's going on with this coin? That's a steady uptrend that can't be stopped. That's like the kind of uptrend you want to see. It got a little sell off there, but it's continuing. I never heard of Gaffy. Let me find out. I like the price chart, but let's find out what Gaffy is. GameFi.org, Gunstar Metaverse. Whoa. Gunstar Metaverse is a massively multiplayer online RPG and turn-based strategy NFT game that gives you the real value of enjoyment and excitement in gaming and the real value provided through the blockchain platform. I guess they got all sorts of games. Etheria. So it's a whole library of play to earn games, I guess. Dreams Quest is building the first ever metaverse-based economy. Yo, I'm telling you, in Q1, there's some great games coming to the blockchain. Play to earn. Solana. Built on Solana. The best ones are going to be. And this is my prediction for Bitcoin by May or June of 2022. 88,000. All eights. 888888 by May. Which will lift the whole market up a lot. All of our altcoins will do very well if Bitcoin does that. Bitcoin just makes this little move and then goes sideways for a while. We're in the clear. Everything looks good with crypto. And I got to get out of here. My meeting's in 3 minutes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked the show and you're interested in small cap gems and shit like this. And just don't come back if you're not.